Hey y'all, thanks for the click. Let's get into it. Alright, we're going to do a full quick weave today. I'm going to do a softer look. And this is what we're using. We're using Tara Hair Velvet Outre is what you would look up on Amazon. So first I applied the liquid cap. Then we went ahead and secured the weaving cap on with some latex adhesive. We're going to start with the first, with the smallest length. And we're only going to go behind her hair, her ears, like the nape of her neck. So this is going to be kind of a, it's going to be a short look, but not crazy short. My client here has pretty long hair, and she likes the versatility of the short hair. She really wants short hair, but she don't want to cut her hair. So she likes to get quick weaves short. Now this hair is pre-curled. And like I said, it comes in those 3 pieces. And I have a love-hate relationship with this hair because I don't want the manufacturer to tell me how to curl the hair. Like, you don't know if I want it to go left or right. You don't know what I want to do with this hair. But the clients love it because it's not really too much they have to do to it. Once I cut it and curl it, it's a matter of them waking up in the morning and running their fingers through it, because since the manufacturer has put that curl in it, the hair wants to be curled. So it's going to keep the curl a lot longer than straight hair would if you curled it. Since that hair has been processed to be straight, it wants to be straight, so that curl going to keep kicking out. This hair has been processed to be curly, so it wants to be curled, so the curl is going to stay, if that makes sense. So we're on the second length of hair and we're building up the sides. Now my client doesn't want a whole lot of hair in her face. That's one of her requirements. She wants the full quick weave, no hair left out, but she don't really want a whole lot of hair on her face. So on the sides, when we go up, you're going to see me, I'm just pretty much going straight lines. And then when I get to the front around her hairline, I'm just going to turn the tips of the hair slightly up. So she does give that coverage around her hairline, but it's not really going to be in her face. You know what I'm saying? Another thing about this hair, say she wanted volume on top. This hair, it comes like straight off the track, like straight and down. So it's no way, like, if for people that know how to do hair, it's it's an off base curl. So if I wanted on base, or if I wanted something with a little bit more volume, something that kicks out closer to the track, I couldn't really get it because this hair gonna keep going down. Now I will be using a closure, the closure that comes with the pack of hair. Now this is just one pack, like this is a lot of hair. This is this is the longest length. This is the third pack right here, or the third, piece of the pack. And so I just built that right side up, and right now I'm just doing a little bit of directional, damn, I hate when I say the directional track placement. So she, like I said, she doesn't want a lot of hair in her face, so I'm not going to give her a lot of hair in her face. And this is where a lot of people kind of mess up and start making it look a little wiggy and do the whole curtain effect where you got to like part it and look through your bangs. This way it's going to stay going the way we want it to go. I told you in another video how I do that. And basically you're just going to go more towards the heavier side. And the smallest little piece of the side that's going to connect with the other track on the other end is just going to fold into the dent, into the little spot. That little split is going to make it go, is going to make it part. Now when I get that, I like to make my own closures, right? And with this hair, since it doesn't kick out, I can't do what I want it to do, so I have to use the closure that comes with the pack. And I don't like it because this is usually the telltale sign that somebody has a wig on, because this closure to me isn't the best one, and a lot of times it's thin. So right now it's hard to measure, so I put it on and I popped it on, and now I'm going back and I'm just filling in the space just to close it up a little bit more. And I am going to overlap the little mesh, the little top, just because it's thin up there, y'all, and you can really kind of see it to me. So I'm going to try to go in and fill it up, but it's just not the best to do. Anyway, long story short, this hair, has its pros and its cons like all other hair. But I still like it. Nonetheless, they like it. So I love it. It is what it is. So that's done. Combing it out. And I went ahead and trimmed the back. Well, I razor cut the back. I didn't cut a whole lot of it, but I did just razor cut the back. And I trimmed the sides up too. And I don't know what happened to that clip. I thought I had a clip of it, but I don't have a clip of it. This is the Nairobi Shape and Hold Spray. Spray that on everything. And she could actually go like that. If she wants to go like that, she could go like that. But we're not going to do that. She said she don't really want to do nothing to her hair. So we're going to go ahead and curl it a little bit for her. And the irons are on low. Even though this is human hair. Like I said, it comes already curled from the manufacturer. So I don't want to do a whole lot. I just want to give it a little bit more of what it already has. Tell her where to go. It already looks good. Usually I would mold it down and make it kind of split a little bit more with when I create the closure myself, but I didn't have to do that with this hair. And plus I don't like putting it under the dryer because sometimes it says humans, but you don't know if it'll have like other fibers in it, and when you put them under the dryer you can really tell that much heat, it'll do a little something extra to it. So, but anyway, not this hair, just some hair, some other hair. Y'all be like, y'all like to bring a whole lot of stuff to the salon. So that was my Kirk product iron, my Kirk Pro iron. They discontinued that iron, so don't go to the website looking for it. And I do put the website in a lot of my videos. Some of the stuff in the videos, some stuff on the website is working, and some of the links are broken. And I've already sent them emails, but I don't know what's going on with that. I'll still continue to support my people, though, because they got good products. Other than that, the shears are amazing and some other things are amazing. So this is it. Final look. And it's going to stay like that. This Quickwave with that liquid cap, that Grow Protect solution that I use, is not going anywhere, y'all. This is going to be, and that's where a lot of people mess up with their Quickwaves. They think that they can keep them as long as, I zoomed in on that little piece because I noticed that. But you really can't, really, you can't see that. You can just see it with the camera. Anyway, they think they can keep their Quickwaves for a long time. And they can't. And that's when you get your breakage, when you get that slack around the edges, and it starts, you start scratching a little bit more, starts moving a little bit more, and then it starts snapping off a little bit more. So don't keep your quick weaves in long, please, y'all. Don't keep them in long at all. I say 3 weeks tops. Thank you for watching my videos. I love y'all. For real. Like, for real, for real. Y'all have a good day.